This is the Boat Rockerz 205 Pro and it could be the best neckband earphones under 1000 rupees. So before getting to the video, if you want to find the best deals on this earphone, you can head to the first link down below in the description. Starting off, here's the shipping package. Let's quickly unbox this and take out our earphones. Talking about the design and build quality of these earphones, personally speaking, I like them. The neckband is soft, decent quality plastic on the modules and metal earpieces, which makes the whole package quite solid. Now about the comfort and fitting, these are quite comfortable to wear. The silicone ear tips are very soft. I mean, not like a 2000 rupees neckband kind of a feel, but they justify the price tag of 1000 rupees. I've used it like 2.5 hours straight and I haven't felt any sort of pain or discomfort. Also the fitting side is quite strong, but this time we don't get any sort of ear hooks, so please don't expect any 255 Pro Plus kind of a fitting. If you are doing some casual gym, then it is good, but if you go a little hard, then they might come out. Now talking about the features, there are a lot. I'm going to quickly list them. First of all, we get Bluetooth 5.2, which no one cares about, but what I do care about is the dual pairing, and we get that here. Then we have magnetic buds, pretty standard, right? But there is no auto on or off. Then we have beast mode, which is gaming mode on steroids. With this enabled, we will be able to get 65 milliseconds of delay, at least what Boat is claiming. Let's test it out ourselves. For calling, we have ENX technology, which I wasn't able to find the full form. So if you do know, please leave it down below. But this should give us good mic quality, so let's see. This is the audio quality test of the Boat Rockerz 205 Pro. So this is what the person you are talking to would hear your voice. On the battery side, we get 200 mAh battery, which takes about 50 minutes to charge full, and then after that I was able to get 18 hours of playback at 100% of volume. Now you might get 30 hours of playback at 50% of volume, but if you are going to keep it at 100, then you can only expect 18 hours. And if you set it at 70 to 80%, then it would be 24 hours. So according to these stats, this is quite good. You are getting 24 hours of playback with a single charge. One more thing I want to mention is that this has ASAP charging, so if you charge it for 10 minutes, you can expect 12 hours of playback, again at 50% of volume. Also, it requires an input of 5 volt and 2 amperes, so check if you have a charger laying around. Now coming down to the most crucial part of any audio device, which is the sound quality itself. So here we get 10mm driver, which produces amazing sound quality. Unlike other Boat products where you have annoyingly boosted bass, this one is tweaked very well. I was enjoying the bass. Now on the mids, it is also well set. The body on the vocal sounded very good. I mean these sound. The only thing I don't like about these earphones is the treble or highs, you can say. I found the vocals were not sticking out, rather those were lost in the mix. So what I did was I boosted the 4K and 8K frequencies 2 decibels, which made them sound almost perfect. Two more aspects left in the sound quality, that is the loudness and isolation. So for the loudness, these are quite loud, not like you see other Boat earphones which are extremely loud, but these ones are also loud enough that you won't complain. And on the isolation side, these are well sealed. There was not much of noise getting in my way. So overall, in terms of sound, they are great sounding earphones. But the big question is if this is the best neckband earphones under 1000 rupees, or is it not worth considering at all? So in my opinion, I would say that these are one of the best sounding earphones, the neckband earphones at this price point. I wasn't expecting much from it. I thought it would be the same Boat earphones formula, boosted bass, loudness, zero clarity, packed with flimsy feature. But no, this one exceeded my expectations. The only thing lacking here is the highs, which you can fix with any EQ app or built-in app. So if you are looking for neckband earphones under 1000 rupees, then you can definitely pick this up, and doing so from the links down below in the description is a must. But that's been it guys, that's it for today. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe, bye bye.